YouTube. How the devil are you doing? Cool King checking in again on behalf of the EDC Cooperative. So, it's Halloween. Let's do a Halloween pocket dump. So today, obviously, I'm wearing my Grim Reaper cape, but I'm also wearing a standard pair of jeans, so I shall empty my pockets. First off, I've got the iPhone X in the bellroy leather case. I have a hank from Firefly Hanks, which is my Joker hank. That's about the scariest sort of Halloween hank I have. That's in my back right pocket. Back left hand pocket, I have this Caddy from Liontribe Armory, which has Hail Hydra. And we have a titanium pen from Bigidesign. This is the Ti Arto. Nice little pen. And I am using the Real Steel Luna. This is a Heine Haynes special edition. I only had this a couple of days. It's a nice little knife. Enjoying it so far. Green paracord with the Gucci EDC flat top bead in red. Matches it nicely. So then let's go around to the front left hand pocket. The recycled firefighter in pumpkin orange. Billfold, full card, slip, little watch fob pocket, craft brew junkies, mini bottle jack with the green combat beads, Moab. Again, just a nice colour for Halloween. Same pocket is my flashlight of the day. The orange Preun Mini from Olight. It's a nice little light. And front right hand pocket, nothing fantastic. A challenge coin from Carry the Skull. I've only had this a few weeks, not really carried it, so as it's got a skull on it. And then I have a nice sort of modified Swiss Army knife with these bright orange scales. It's got every sort of tool you need on it really. And then this is a special edition Lego or brick head from Zero Feud. This is the Frankenstein one, complete with little bolts. Again on some nice green paracord. Right, there you have it. Thanks for watching. A little bit of a fun pocket dump on Halloween. I hope that you enjoyed it. Hope that you have a good Halloween. Stay safe and don't let the bed bugs bite.